Hi folks, today I'm going to make a 5-spice veg and lentil mixture which I serve with noodles. I hope you enjoy making it and eating it as much as I do. So let's get into the kitchen and get cooking. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you've enjoyed it, please like and subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss any future videos that I make. Also, all I've got left to say is stay fit, stay vegan, stay happy, and see you in the next video. Bye!